Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will learn how to check your electronic travel authorization ETA status for Canada. So if you're planning to go to Canada for football match or anything, make sure you check your ETA status. Don't travel without checking this status. Now, how to do this? Just go on canada.ca website. In the search section, just write ETA check. Click search. This will take you to the page where it will have bits of pieces about ETA. At the bottom, it says how to check your application status. Click on this link. Then it will ask to select the drop down menu. Over here, you will select electronic travel authorization. The question is how to check your application status. Click continue. This will give you the link, check your ETA status. And if you need this link, I have put that in the description of this video, so where you can get that access straight away. Now, once you're on this page, the question is check your status. The first question is I applied for an ETA, but I haven't received the decision. So that could be your case. In my case, I have already received an ETA, but I wanted to check my file. Why I wanted to do this? Because I wanted to travel. ETA is valid for 5 years for 7 Canadian dollar. So it's always better to check. The next question is ETA number. Now, how to find ETA number, how to find these details, because the questions are about your passport number, where it was applied from, issue date, expiry date of the ETA. It's hard to remember these things, especially the ETA number. Now, how to find that? So go in your emails and look for cic.gc.ca. This is the email from where you have received the ETA. It's hard to remember this. We keep looking for Canada or Canada ETA, but it don't show up. But what you need to look for is @cic.gc.ca. So this is how I have received the email at first time from the cic.gc.ca email address. And it says that I have got this ETA approved. Now I got the details over here, my name, my passport number, ETA number, expiry date. So these are the details which you need. But this missing the issue date, and there's a question about the issue date. So what will be your issue date? Your issue date will be on the right side of your email, that which date you have received this email. So if this says 13, so that means your issue date was 14th of that month of the 5 years before. This is how you will do the calculation. So if I go back over here, this is where it will ask issue date and expiry date. So I'll enter the details over here. Once I click check status, application status, this will over here, it will show up whether you have the ETA is valid or not. It's very simple, but don't travel without checking your ETA status because it's just a hassle. Now let's suppose it says that you don't have the details, like it don't show anything over here. In that case, you will click this link, inquiry form, under type of application, select ETA, the case specific inquiries. This is how you will submit your inquiry. And then once you get that, once you are sure that you have the valid ETA, then travel. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I have created loads of videos in which I have explained how you can do all these things yourself. I've explained how you can apply visas, how you can apply your national insurance number, how you can apply your passport, how you can apply your replacement passport. There are loads of videos on my channel which can help you.